Hey guys, good Wednesday. It's KJ here at WCNC Charlotte. I just want to get you guys up to speed on the rainfall ongoing across the area. We are hit with some downpours. Hopefully, you were not caught off guard and you had your raincoat with you for this evening. Nonetheless, we had most of the day dry, but now we do have those ongoing showers. They really started to pick up around 7 p.m., around the dinner hour, and they started to back build in our area. Typically, the storms are moving more so towards the east, but these storms started to build in from the west and then from the east of us and then move backwards towards the west. So some of the storms that were over in Stanley County started to back build into Cabarrus and Mecklenburg County. And I know some of you were out for your run and your walk this evening, and you were probably caught off guard by the severity of the showers. The good news is none of this is severe, and it's not going to last all night. I think by 11 o'clock, by midnight, we should start to see these showers dissipating. We do have some embedded lightning within them, so these are not any strong storms, but they are producing some heavy rain. So let's bring it in a little bit closer with our radar, and I want to show you how right over Charlotte, north of Charlotte, we had a downpour over the last half hour to an hour ago, and notice how that one has since dissipated for the most part, and we now have that shower over Lake Wiley near Pineville, just north of Rock Hill. And earlier today we captured some video over at 4 Mile Creek, and the creek gauge actually shows that it has risen by at least 4 feet, I believe. So, yeah, so that creek level had risen at least by 4 feet based on the gauge there. So there could be some flooding nearby, and that's over near Providence Road in Charlotte. So just be mindful of some areas that may be dealing with some localized flooding due to the excessive rainfall. We'll continue to track these showers, but the good news is not severe, but not the best driving conditions. Blinding rain with the showers that are ongoing now. So let's look at what is that we could deal with because of the rainfall. We could have some flooding out there, and we do have a flood advisory in effect for Charlotte until 11:15. So not much longer. Some of these areas are getting hit with these showers over and over and over again. And these are slow movers. A lot of times, these showers and storms, that typical summertime pattern, they're not going anywhere fast. They don't have a lot of direction. They are outflow driven. So, as one storm bubbles up, it dissipates, another storm bubbles up, dissipates. And so that's what we're dealing with. And over the last 6 hours, radar estimate shows that we have picked up some 2 to 4 inches of rainfall in some areas on the low end of the scale, 1 to 2 inches. But over near Matthews, we picked up at least 2 to 4 inches. And radar estimates also show that we picked up some 5 inches in parts of Matthews. So the rain is continuing to come down. We could pick up another half inch to an inch of rain before these showers, these clusters dissipate within the next 2 hours. But the good news is we'll likely dry out by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. So this is our futurecast radar. Overnight by 2 a.m., we're starting to dry out, and that's going to be the trend into the start of your Thursday. However, Thursday afternoon, it's rinse and repeat, guys. We'll have another chance for an isolated shower or storm for your Thursday afternoon. Severe weather risk is extremely low for Thursday. We'll look at general thunderstorms if we get any for today, tomorrow, and that trend continues into the weekend. So rain chances are going back up for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's not going to rain all day for any of these days. I think our best rain chances will be the second half of the day, really feeding off of the heat and humidity. And we'll also have a cold front nearby. And because of that cold front nearby over the weekend, that could help drive up our shower and storm chances. Once again, we have some heavy downpours out there tonight, soaking rain ongoing. They won't last all night, and we'll have drier weather to start off your Thursday and another chance for isolated showers into your Thursday afternoon. And those rain chances will increase for the start of the weekend. Hope you guys have a good night. Don't forget your raincoat. Just throw it in the back seat. So if you have to run in and out of a location, you'll at least have it on standby. And of course, we'll be here to continue to keep you up to date on what's happening with the weather. As we know, it's constantly evolving. You can always check us out at WCNC.com. Hope you guys have a great night. And I have another update coming up at 11 o'clock right here on WCNC Charlotte.